Manufacturers today are facing increased global, economic, product, and technology pressures. Those who adopt new technologies, such as Internet of Things, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, are looking to gain both top-line and bottom-line growth. And those who don't adopt are left behind due to lower operational efficiencies, higher costs compared to competition, and lower growth rates. Business value can be extracted from existing data using AI. According to McKinsey Global Institute, AI has the potential to create a $13 trillion impact on the global economy by 2030. Another McKinsey Global Institute study found that investment in AI during 2016 was between $26 and $39 billion. A PwC study found that 72% of executives believe that AI will provide an advantage in the future. Today's manufacturing systems produce data that is geared for operational reports and business intelligence systems. But reports are not designed to find causes of low yield or failures. To uncover hidden insights about your manufacturing to improve yield or perform root cause analysis on failures requires machine learning. Manufacturers have stored terabytes of data gathered from Historian, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, SCADA, and MES systems. But this data is focused on operational data only, without the context needed from information technology, and is stuck in operational silos. For event tracking and alerts, current systems suffice. But to gain deep holistic knowledge about your manufacturing to predictively improve operations, yield, cycle time, and revenue, the data needs to be converted to information. Manufacturers' issues can be caused by multiple factors, including out-of-calibration machinery, improperly trained workers, and improper environmental conditions. The 5M approach provides a framework to holistically sample all possible contributors of manufacturing issues. The 5Ms are man, machine, method, materials, and management. Oracle Adaptive Intelligent Apps for Manufacturing helps companies achieve manufacturing operational excellence by leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies to solve complex business problems. Problems such as manufacturing quality and yield root cause analysis, predictive analysis and genealogy and tractability of end-to-end supply chain process data. Oracle AI Apps for Manufacturing is a purpose-built machine learning application that gives you an easy way to bring data from any existing enterprise applications, such as manufacturing execution systems, quality LIMS systems, quality LIMS systems, SCM, ERP, and shop floor equipment. This data, combined with the power of AI tuned for manufacturing use cases and KPIs, such as quality and yield, enables customers to quickly find never-before-seen deep insights and predictions to improve manufacturing efficiency, lower cost, and grow revenue and margin. Let's take a quick tour of the Oracle AI Apps for Manufacturing. There are 4 major functional modules within Oracle AIA for Manufacturing: Insights, Genealogy and Trace, Predictions, and Factory Command Center. We will review the Insights functionality first. Using deep learning of OT and IT historical data, Oracle AI Apps for Manufacturing can surface potential root causes in the design and manufacturing operating conditions by providing insights into why certain specific test outcomes occurred in the past for various quality test measures, work order level yields, and operation level yields. It provides the patterns of certain data conditions that existed and correlates them to when certain specific test outcomes occurred. A clear explanation in the form of detailed visualizations for each of the influencing factors and their degree of influence toward an outcome of a quality test or production yield level are provided in the drill down detail page, so that the design and process engineers can respond and implement specific change actions with confidence. Next, let's look at the genealogy and trace functionality in Oracle AI Apps for Manufacturing. The genealogy and trace functionality allows users to explore end-to-end manufacturing and supply chain process data to perform impact and containment analysis. users can freeform explore different elements of manufacturing and supply chain data from end to end. For example, users can trace a material lot to its origin, which supplier it was received from, in which work order it was consumed to produce what product, and to which customer that product was shipped. Users can freeform explore different events that occurred during the manufacturing of products. While doing root cause analysis, users can drill down to understand what data conditions were captured by the system during a specific event of interest. The predictions functionality in Oracle AI Apps for Manufacturing enables the configuration and deployment of predictive models and near real-time predictive alerts for related manufacturing KPIs. Example KPIs include production quality and yield, which enable timely corrective action, saving in-progress production work and cost. Business users such as production supervisors, quality managers, and process engineers can access all or just the most important predictive alerts that affect the shop floor production quality, yield, and performance. The prediction explanation provides a clear and intuitive way to understand the factors that are influencing the current prediction of a particular KPI, such as product quality or production yield measurement. In this example, you can see that the system has predicted with 89.5% probability that there are certain combinations of predictors. For example, the supplier of the material lot, a particular quality test value, and a specific value of vibration level of the production equipment in the current production of pinion gears is likely to cause the surface crack KPI target to go above the upper limit. This information alert can be used by the production supervisor or quality manager to intervene and take corrective action to prevent the work from getting rejected, reworked, or scrapped, which would result in production delays and a negative financial impact. The Factory Command Center functionality in Oracle AI Apps for Manufacturing provides a global view of current production metrics, organized based on the 5 M's of manufacturing: manpower, machines, material, methods, and management. Oracle AI Apps for Manufacturing provides an instant 5M view of all aspects of manufacturing for both executives and factory managers or supervisors. Manpower tracks one of the most important resources, the human, in the operation of the factory. Machine provides machine status, up or down, utilization, alarms, and maintenance. Management tracks manufacturing from an IT point of view based on work orders. Material alerts the shortage of material ingredient condition, delays in the receipt and quality of the supplier material. Method tracks manufacturing process for exceptions and bottlenecks, such as shortages and production quality. Production supervisors can access different prediction alerts and navigate to a prediction explanation page to understand the factors that influence the predicted outcome of a target KPI. Oracle AI Apps for Manufacturing is a powerful and easy-to-use analytics apps that has machine learning geared for manufacturing, simple SaaS pricing, big data supports all manufacturing data types, contextualized operational technology with information technology, targeted at multiple user types, producers and consumers,